1961 Ford Galaxie Club Victoria Starliner here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 352 V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with a 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the painted bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Kensington Gray Metallic this car was repainted in. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the chrome wheels, radial tires. You can see a few little chips along the wheel well. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Nice contrasting interior with the two-tone. Aftermarket Sony stereo underneath the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. You can see the custom rear end on this car. It will come with the bumper brackets and the bumper, and you'll be able to see those in the still pictures also. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Dual exhaust. Note from the technician that looked at this car in service stated brakes are 70% in the front, 75% in the rear. Slight exhaust leak. Wipers are in op. If you like these early 60s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. I think we got a little bit of touch up here in the bumper right there too. Gives you a good look at the driver's side. Let's take a peek at the interior. And over 100 pictures of this car on our website, of course. Door panels. So vinyl bench seat belts intact. You'll get a good look at the rear seats and the still pictures also. Headliner looks good. Now, of course, these you had to have in neutral to start. It's got to be just right on this one. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, so stock looking dash, with the exception of the custom installed stereo, and this is working. Let's take a listen to the 352 V8. Let's take a look underneath the hood, and then, like I said, Jason will take it for a drive at the very end of this video. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. There you can hear a little bit of the exhaust leak. I guess it goes away or gets a lot quieter when it's warmed up. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. One other thing I wanted to mention, there was a couple little stars in the windshield, so you're aware of those. (1961) Ford Galaxie Club Victoria Starliner. Number to call 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1961 Ford Galaxie Starliner, one of the coolest names for a car. Galaxie Starliner. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Our fuel gauge reads a half of a tank. Now the temperature gauge has not come off of cold. I believe that is not reading. We are clock equipped. The factory radio looks great, but down below we have a Sony that works. With a lovely song. That is working as it should. Nice recovered seats and interior panels looking very good. Brakes are smooth. Headliner also looking good. This car seems to have been restored in many places. Corners well. About as you'd expect for a 61 in the corners. Acceleration is good. Nice rumble coming out the tailpipe of this car. Our blower motor works. There's a little bit of slack in the steering. Somewhat to be expected from a 61 model year. Both turn signal indicators are working. This car is ready to bring a large crew on a nice long drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this Galaxie Starliner at uniqueclassiccars.com.